Oh my goodness, gather around everyone. Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a belief, a notion that research was some mystical treasure locked away in the towers of universities. Can you imagine? All those lecture halls, laboratories, and those thick, dusty academic journals. What a scene! They thought research was for only the elite, professors, PhD holders, and those folks in lab coats. But oh, how wrong they were. Research, at its very essence, is simply a guide to understanding this marvelous world we live in. Picture this, a young entrepreneur bursting with ideas, trying to figure out why customers are drawn to one product over another. Without even realizing it, they are diving headfirst into the realm of research. And then there's a teacher. Yes, a teacher. Keenly observing which teaching method lights a spark in students. That's research too. Even a community leader pondering why a project stumbled and how to rise from the ashes is stepping boldly into the world of research. Research methods, my friends, are like treasure maps. They are systematic ways of asking questions, gathering information, and making sense of it all. They lead us from wild guesses to clear understanding. Some research begins with stories, rich and vivid. This is qualitative research. It listens to the voices of people, exploring their emotions, motivations, and lived realities. Through heartfelt interviews and deep conversations, it breathes life into human experiences. It reminds us that, numbers alone? They simply do not tell the whole story. But wait, there's more.
Oh my goodness, everyone. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button if you believe you can be part of the solution to our wonderful world through research. Imagine booking a room in the amazing Nunius Research Compound where we get to educate on how to research, innovate, and develop new ideas. Isn't that exciting? And hey, don't forget to like and share this fabulous message so we can welcome more digital neighbours to the Nunius Research Compound. Let's make a difference together. Yay!